Hello friends, welcome to JavaFx GUI tutorial. In this video we are going to design Fxml for the page content. So here if you see, this is what called the page content, and we will design a Fxml for this page content, and in the next video using PageFactory we will cook this page and give that to the pagination control. So in the last video we created the main page, and in the main page Fxml we added the pagination control. Now we will create Fxml for individual pages, and if you see here we have horizontal boxes organized inside vertical box, and inside each horizontal box we will place all the labels. Then we will assign controller ID for all three labels. This label later we will access in the PageFactory. So here, since we assigned the ID, we make a Fxml entry in the controller. Then we will provide a getter method to return the Fxml entry. So Fxml entry, if you see, using the Fxml entry we get hold of the controls label 1, label 2 and label 3, and since these are all private we provide a public accessor method. Whoever want to retrieve the label, they can make a call to this get label or the getter versions. Alright, now we will go ahead and design the Fxml for pages. So this is where we left previously. Now we will create the page content, new, empty Fxml. So if it is not here, we can go for other. When you start using the items, they will appear here as a frequently used item. So let me go with JavaFx empty Fxml. Next, here we will name it as page content. Click next. Ask to generate the controller, page content controller, and we will click finish. So let's leave page content.fxml as well as controller here. So this is our page content, right? Now we will close this and open page content with the scene builder. So we will remove this anchor pen. Why? Because we need a horizontal box. So these are all the containers, right? We will place vertical box first, drag and drop inside the hierarchy, and under layout we will set size as 400 class 300. That's the size of our page. Then we will place horizontal box inside the V box. We will place 3 of them. So if you click, it will highlight the horizontal box and how it is packed inside the vertical box. You can see here. So there are 3 H box which is tightly packed inside the vertical box. So inside the horizontal box we will place a label control. So here is the control label, drag and drop inside each horizontal box. So when I place cursor, you can see the horizontal box is highlighted in the design area. First let me drop here inside the hierarchy. This is one way, and if you need, you can directly place inside the designer stage also. So now if you look at the hierarchy, vertical box contains 3 horizontal box, and each horizontal box houses a label. Now let's pick all the label. So I'm holding the control key in the keyboard, picking the second label and picking the third one. So here if you see, all 3 labels are in selected state. Let us expand properties. So searching for font property. So here it is, font, and font size we will keep it as 24. You can see here all label will increase in size. Okay, let's state 24, that's enough. So click somewhere outside and click save. Next we will assign controller entry. For that we have to go to code, choose here and place LBL1, hit enter. Second label LBL2, LBL1, LBL2 and LBL3. File, save. So all the designing stuffs are saved in the Fxml. Now we will bring the controller skeleton and we will copy all these 3 Fxml entries. File. So this is our controller, right? Inside the controller we will place the Fxml entries. So we will tag this as sample04, shift tab to align with the comment. So that's all. Now we have 3 entry for our label. Next we can add getter and setter. Setter not required, we will go with the getters. So if you see get label 1, it returns the label 1 entry. Get label 2 will return label 2 entry. Get label 3 will return label 3 entry. So this is our controller. This controller will be used by PageFactory in the next video. That's all here in this video. let's make a quick build here. So that's all right. We saw the demo. In the next video, we will make use of our page content Fxml. So this example, if you see, it included two Fxml entry. One is primary stage Fxml that contains pagination control. Then we designed one more Fxml. That one is for designing the page. So it contains three labels, and at runtime the PageFactory will make use of the page content.xml and changes the label based on the page number and gives that to the pagination control. We will do that coding in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.